What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. Today's video we're going to work on mocking these fender flares up to the new fenders and hopefully some other stuff. Alrighty guys, so we're back working on the fenders, the fender flares, that whole situation. Hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. Hopefully you noticed I announced that I'm now selling shirts. I now have links in all the descriptions of all my videos of links to go check out the shirts. They're on Teespring. If you want to support the channel, that is the way to do it. Everything that is made from the shirts just goes right back in the channel. So if you haven't seen the video, go check that out. That'll fill you in on everything. As for the fenders, I haven't had a whole lot of progress made on these yet. We're still at the area where everything's just ground down and kind of everything's exposed. So the next thing I want to do is get these mocked in place and drill holes out. Once I get the holes drilled out and know exactly where those are going to go, I'm going to feel better about any excess metal that I may need to cut off that may hinder tire clearance, and do the same thing for the back eventually and cut off metal in the back as well and get that all taken care of. But that might be another video. So today we're gonna hopefully just get these mocked up, have that all ready, and then we can get all the metal work done and then be ready for paint. So hopefully that'll all be done today. That's about all the talking I want to do. I'm behind. I really just need to get this done and get this video uploaded. So let's go. Alrighty, well I had to go out and get fasteners for these, and I went with stainless. So I got some 1¼ guys and had to get some more washers and nuts for these. So I got these mocked up pretty well. It's pretty flush on the bottom here, and the hole here matches up for the light, and pretty flush there on the bottom too. So I just drilled them in place. The only thing with that is if you drill them in place, unless you have a long enough drill bit, your drill edge is probably gonna rub here if you're trying to be straight on when you're drilling. So these aren't how-to videos, they never are. It's just me working in the garage. But if you ever do this on your own, it might be a good idea to either have a longer drill bit so your drill is past this, or use a punch and punch these all out first, then go back and drill and then do it from there. Me, I'm lazy. I did this, trying to do it quick. That's how I did it. Got this side done, gonna do the other side, won't video it because it's all the same stuff. Anyway, before I do that, I think this looks really good. I wish so bad that I had that paint on these. But for now, we'll get these all done, just paint them black so they're done, ready, not gonna get any rust on them, and go from there. So I'm gonna jump over to the other side, do the same stuff, and we'll see how it looks when we're all done. Alrighty, so both front flares are on, mocked up, ready to go. So the only thing is I still need to pull these off and just clean up the holes pretty good, and then make sure all the areas are flat and everything. But yeah, those are on. I like them. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the Jeep. I mean, they're pocket flares. You see tons of people, drive around with them. But I'm just anxious to see what they look like on the Jeep. Now that I got those mocked up, I'm going to try to keep going, get these ones knocked out, at least have everything mounted up ready to go, and then we can do all the cleanup work later, but at least just try to get them on and see how it looks. look bad. Definitely covers the tires. I think all you gotta cover is the lug, and it's a little bit past it, so there's more room to go. But this one, it ended up that this bolt actually lined up with the previous hole that I think was drilled for the TJ flares. That was actually kind of nice. I was playing around with it, trying to line it up everything, and I was like, well, that hole's pretty close, so I put it in there, and then I kind of like flattened this out, because I mean, it's an older flare, so I think it kind of, I measured it compared to the other flare, and it's a little off if it's just sitting, so when you flatten it out, you know, then they're the same size. So I think the flare looks pretty good. I think it's pretty centered. The style is a little different from what I've had before, so some of the things like this paint down here doesn't match up, and then there's a little bit of paint that comes up here. Not too concerned about it, you know. If you're up close, you notice it, but if you're stand back, you know, disappears. It's gone. Looks great. So I do like this. I'm really excited to see what it looks like completely with everything on. I still am skeptical whether it's going to be good off-roading, if that's going to rub or not. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll have to see what kind of washers I want to go with, but I was using 1/4-inch bolts for these, and I was using the 1/4-inch washers. And some of this plastic has been broken over time, so the washers that were here before didn't really do anything, so I had to put a bigger washer on so it actually held. So we'll see what we're going to do with that. I don't know yet. We may end up going with bigger bolts, may end up going with just bigger washers. So not sure on that yet, but we'll figure something out. The other side's the exact same, so not really going to be concerned about getting that on this video. But as far as this, say the fender flares are on, they're mocked up, we can do the rest of our drilling. I still have to drill a couple spots here, but that's fine. Everything's mocked up the way it needs to be. I'll do the rest of the drilling, metal work, in a video to come, in an upcoming video. So we're good. This is what I wanted to get done tonight. So I apologize, this is a little bit of a short video. Some of you guys might like that it's a shorter video. Some of you probably want a longer one. I don't know. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the 15, 20 minute long videos? Do you prefer the less than 10 minute videos? Let me know what you think about how these look with the fender flares on. I'm anxious to get it all on there, which will be coming up, but there's still a little more work I gotta get done, which will be done coming up here soon. So stay tuned for the rest of it. Sorry this was all we got done in this video, but it's something needs done. I wanted to make sure I had something up for you guys. Here it is. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you head over to the links for Teespring. Get yourself a shirt. Support me, support the YJ. I'd say that's it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.